नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल में आई कैन अकेडमी फॉर इंग्लिश टुवर्ड्स अ बेटर फ्यूचर। माय नेम इज़ डॉली। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि हम आपके लिए सीरीज़ लेकर आए हैं टू लर्न इंग्लिश स्टेप बाय स्टेप, तो जब आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स, उस वक्त आपको एक बात को और ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और वो है शब्दों का सही उच्चारण, यानी कि करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन। अगर आप शब्दों को सही से प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते हैं, यानी कि उनका उच्चारण सही से नहीं करते हैं, दैट कैन क्रिएट अ वेरी नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन, और समटाइम्स पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू वांट टू से। कई बार लोगों को ये बात ही समझ नहीं आती कि आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं। सो लेट अस टेक अ स्टेप इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड लेट्स लर्न द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ मेनी वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड इन डे टू डे लाइफ। Starting with it, the first word is man, man. This man is used for the singular one, यानी कि जब हम एक आदमी की बात करते हैं तो we will say man, and it has a long sound. So when we call it man, we pronounce it man, man. Say after me, man, man. Good. The next one is men. This one is plural and it is used with the short sound. So you call it men. Men. Say it with me. Men. Men. Good. The next one is woman. This one too is singular. And we pronounce it woman, woman. Say it with me, woman, woman. Good. The next one is women, women. Same thing, but we pronounce it we, women. But the man is also very fast, women, women. So say it with me, women, women. Good job. The next one is cloth, cloth. Repeat after me, cloth, cloth. Cloth is unstitched. Like when you go to the garment house and you have to purchase the cloth for the suit, for the shirt, for the pant, so you call it cloth. And the stitched ones, they are called clothes. We pronounce it clothes, O, clothes. So this one is cloth or cloth, and this one is clothes. Good job. The next one is mosque. Mosque stands for masjid. So we call it mosque, mosque. And the next one is mosquito. So we will not pronounce this is mosque, but this is mosquito, mosquito. Good job. The next one is onion. Several times when we use O, it is in the sound of a. So we call it onion, onion. Now let's come to the next one. Here the L is silent. So when you pronounce it, you say it almond, almond. It's not almond, but almond. Great job. The next one is, we pronounce it pizza. So we do not pronounce the ta word very clearly but very softly. We say it, we call it, or we say it pizza, pizza, pizza. Repeat after me, pizza, pizza, pizza. Fantastic. You may need a little bit more practice for the same one. The next one is balloon. Yes, it is balloon. And the next one is where or where, where or where. So Britishers pronounce it where and Americans call it where, where and where. Both are correct. The next one too is there, there. Britishers call it there and Americans call it there, there. The next one is coupon. In Hindi we call it coupon, but in English we call it coupon. Coupon. Fantastic. The next one is what. So whenever we pronounce the words which start with W, we do not say them what. No, the structure of the lips goes like O, and we say it what. It's not what. That's wrong, but the correct one is what. Same manner, where, why, who, which, when. So remember, the words here starting with W, you pronounce it like what. The next one is, you can pronounce it vitamin. So vitamin is the American pronunciation and the Britishers call it vitamin. Vitamin or vitamin, both the pronunciations are correct. And the next one is question. Maximum people you would hear calling it question, but that's absolutely wrong. The correct pronunciation is, you may even check it out, the correct pronunciation is question. Question. So this one is chun. Question. Yeah, you may again need a little bit more practice to correct it. Question. The next one is academics. It's not academics, that's absolutely wrong. We call it academy, but this one is academics. Academics. Say it with me. Academics. 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 Fantastic. And the next one is solution. So we pronounce it lu. Salu. We do not say solution. That's wrong. Solution. 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 Say it with me. Solution. Solution. Good job. So coming to the next word, that is population. Now PU is pronounced as pew. Population. Britishers call it population and Americans call it population, but both call it pew. Coming to the next one, OF. Now most of us pronounce it off, but that's absolutely wrong. You will be shocked to hear the correct pronunciation of this, and that is av. Av. So it is not fa, but av. You need to practice it a little more. Av. Say it with me. Av. Av. Good job. Next one is off. This one is off. And the next one, guava. We pronounce it guava. And the next one is dwarf. Dwarf. And the next, casino. Casino. And here we do not pronounce H, but we call it ghost. Ghost. And the last one, anxious. Anxious. Anxious is chintit, pareshan, anxious. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you. But trust me, you need to pronounce these words again and again. You need to practice them. Speak them 30 times each. हर एक word को 30 times बोलकर practice कीजिए. Then you will find that yes, you have got a good hold on it. All the best for it and stay tuned for the more videos.